Welcome back, DIYers! In this video, we are going to create a heart-shaped pop-up card like this one using the kirigami technique, which we join the folding and the cutting all together. For that, you're going to use colored paper around 5 to 7 inches, whatever colors you like. We're going to use the precision knife, make sure you have adult supervision for that, pencil and eraser, and also a ruler. So first, we are going to open our card and just draw a line in the half of it, just like this. Okay, right below the folding of the card, we are going to draw another line like this one with the same measures. And then we'll draw the heart in the center of it. It's very important that the top of the heart and the bottom of the heart are attached to the lines, okay? And in the top of the heart, we are going to draw like a rectangular, like this. Okay? Now that we did our drawing, we are going to cut both sides of our heart, just like this. Very carefully with the precision knife. So you can see the heart is still attached to the paper, okay? Now we are also going to cut this middle part here that will give the heart shape. Now we can already pop up our heart like this, and we are going to fold those lines that we did here, just like this. Now we can erase our lines, or we can pop up our heart to the opposite side from where we did the drawing, just like this. So our sketch is hidden this way. And here it is. You can add another color paper so it will highlight our heart. I hope you like this and hope to see you soon in the next video where we'll be here to learn how to make a round shape optical illusion pop-up card.